So if you want to properly clean your Samsung phone and give it a shiny and clean look, follow the simple steps. So first of all, let's turn off our phone because we're gonna be touching a lot of buttons. So it's better to unplug it from the charger and turn off. Like this will prevent its possible damage, right? So now to clean, let's grab a clean, lint-free microfiber cloth. It's the safest way to remove fingerprints and minor smudges without scratching the screen. So gently wipe down the screen without pushing too hard, right? If smudges remain, we can use some additional liquid. So Samsung recommends to use distilled water to avoid streaks or damage to anti-reflective coating. So grab your cloth, give it a couple sprays right here, right? And after that, let's grab back our phone and with light and circular movements, let's clean our screen until it looks good and shiny, right? Now let's put it back. Great. Be careful not to let moisturizer enter a charging port, a speaker, and headphone jack because excess water can cause internal damage. If you want to disinfect your phone, you can use disinfectant wipes like Clorox. So Samsung and Apple confirm that these are safe when used correctly. Never spray your liquid directly on the screen. Apply it to the cloth first. Also, remember not to use harsh chemicals, bleach, or aerosol sprays. This can strip protective coatings and damage your screen over time. And now, as you see, our phone is clean and shiny, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.